Bulacan Governor Daniel Fernando is setting the record straight on his viral "walang alam" remark about billions worth of flood control projects in the province. He says he was not denying the projects existed, but was referring to the provincial government's lack of coordination with the Public Works Department. Joash Malimban is on the line from Bulacan. Joash, please tell us more. What's the latest?
My Bulacan Governor Daniel Fernando has hit back at criticisms over his viral remark that he had no knowledge of more than 40 billion pesos worth of flood control projects in the province from 2022 to 2025. During a press conference today, Fernando said his viral "walang alam" remark was taken out of context. The governor maintained that his lack of knowledge referred to the alleged lack of coordination between the DPWH and the Bulacan provincial government regarding project implementation. Fernando also suggested that he may have been pressured by broadcaster Ted Filon during the interview that went viral last week. He insisted that he did not have the exact data on flood control projects in Bulacan at the time of the interview.
Inaako ko na mas presyo, may presyo ang aking nadama sa panayam na yun. Maaaring hindi punito ang aking mga pagkakasagot ko, maaaring mas malinaw o mas malinaw ko sana itong naipaliwanag. Kaya lang sunod-sunod ko yung mga tanong.
Fernando said the provincial government has already passed an executive order requiring national government agencies to coordinate with the local government on project implementation and monitoring. He also said President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon have already met with local officials to discuss an integrated flood control project that would address flooding across Bulacan. According to Fernando, the plan includes the construction of a mega dike from Manila Bay stretching from the area of Malabon toward Pilar, Bataan. May.
Joash, I recall you had an exclusive report about an invitation sent to Governor Fernando's office regarding the bidding process for these projects. So has he responded to this?
Yes, we tried to approach Governor Fernando regarding this, lalo na maintain niya na walang coordination yung DPWH sa local government with regards dito sa mga project implementation, especially dun sa mga flood control projects. Pero hindi nagpaunlak ng question and answer itong opisina ni Governor Fernando doon sa nangyaring press conference kanina, May.
Alright, maraming salamat, Joash Malimban, reporting to us from Bulacan.